What you want to do first is spray soapy solution on the adhesive side of the film as you are removing the backing paper. Place the film on the bumper and add soapy solution under the film so it can slide easier. First thing you want to do is start at your first reference point. Align the hole on the film with the tow hook cover. As you align the first anchor point, make sure that the other anchor point will align once stretched and anchored down. Once anchoring, you want to make sure that you add some of your tacky solution underneath the film. This will help with adhesion. Now squeegee out all the water underneath and around the anchor point. Adding some heat to the film definitely helps when trying to adhere the film onto the car. Continue with the next anchor point and repeat the process. Add tacky solution and heat if necessary. Use the diagram as reference to see which anchor point to work on next. As we are anchoring each reference point, we want to make sure that the film is also aligning along the curves of the bumper. Some serious stretching is required for some anchor points. This helps eliminate wrinkles or fingers that may appear. We can also use our fingers to remove the solution that is underneath the film. Make sure to squeegee out all the water underneath the film. When we move on to the passenger side, we want to pull back the film and add some of our soapy solution as it may have dried. When we move on to the first anchor or reference point of the passenger side, we are going to need to do some considerable stretching. You want to overstretch the film a little past the anchor point as the film will pull back but not as far. You will also see that the wrinkles towards the top disappear or lessen. You can rotate the film also to align the anchor point perfectly. You can then move on to the other reference points as pictured in the diagram. Anchoring the passenger side of the bumper will be similar to the driver's side. You can always pull back the film to remove any air bubbles or wrinkles that may appear. When squeegeeing on the film, Add some soapy solution to help the squeegee glide across the film. Here are 3 quick tips. For wrinkles or fingers that don't disappear even after adding tacky solution and heat, spray tacky solution underneath, squeegee out the solution, and allow to dry 30 to 60 minutes. Once dry, add a little heat and squeegee down the wrinkles. Next tip. If creases appear after squeegeeing, pull back film, add some heat and squeegee down again. Last tip. For edges that require tucking in, add some tacky solution under the edges and allow to dry 30 to 60 minutes and squeegee out the solution. Once dry, add a little heat and squeegee down the wrinkles.